to our comedy. Thank God it's a comedy. It could have easily have been a drama. So this is not hard to do. It's just complicated. Or maybe it's not complicated. It's just really hard. But we got some of it up. We got 2 of the pieces up. We couldn't get it, and then our neighbor John and Joanne, they're fantastic. They lent us their scaffolding. So with that, we were able to get some of it done. Jason. But neither Jason or I are any good at heights, so we were shitting the brick the entire time. But we did get it in, and we have 4 posts in, so it's coming. Maybe we'll get a little bit better scaffolding, a little bit more secure. Maybe we'll wait for a day when there isn't so much wind, and it's not 700 below like it is right now. We're all frozen. But we got a little bit done, so we're good. So more when we can. Hey folks, back at it again. I'm all alone today. So today I put in all the posts all the way around. They're all in, ready for the archers. My son is in college today, classes, so he couldn't be out here to help me. But it's okay, the posts are a one-person job, so unfortunately I was able to take some time to be able to do this. Overall, we're coming along slowly, but what are you going to do? Given our meager knowledge and our meager resources, we're doing okay. All in all, I guess if I had to do it over again, I'd probably do some things a little bit different. For one thing, maybe the height of this thing I would have changed. These normally come with 4-foot walls. I was concerned because I was going to put, planters right up against the wall, close to the wall anyway. And so I said, let me go with 7-foot walls. Well, I don't know that was necessarily the best idea. For one thing, it's 17 feet tall at the peak. That's a big monster. Everything is heavier, harder to handle. Putting together these hoops and then putting them in place, very difficult for 2 people, almost impossible for 2 people, although my son and I managed to do 2 of them. You'd need 3 or 4 people really to be able to do it easily. You need big scaffolding. Our scaffolding is too small, so we have to get taller scaffolding. The trusses are quite high. I don't know, they must be 12, 13 feet high. And so the idea was to hang strawberry baskets and vine tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, with the watering system attached to it. And we're still going to do it, but clearly I can't put them hanging from that because I'll need a ladder just to go pick a tomato. So I have to extend chains or something down to hang them. But, you learn as you go along and you just keep going and adjusting. You don't quit. You never quit. Quit as, well, let's just say Darwin may have been correct about the survival of the species, natural selection. But unfortunately, in his time, he didn't have any way to account for technology and the effects it would have on natural selection. So, what are you going to do? Anyway, I digress. It's coming along. We'll keep going. We'll get it done. Slowly, but surely. I'll shoot some more next time. I'm going to be on holiday now for a few days, so may not be able to do anything for a little while longer. And when we come back, hopefully there isn't too much snow, and we'll be able to keep going. Ciao.